Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. Today's lesson is all about the color vowel chart. This is a tool that will help you improve your speaking. Doesn't matter if you're a beginning speaker or more advanced, this will help you get better, help you be understood. It will help you learn words correctly the first time, and even if you're a good speaker, it will help you get even better. So please stick with me for this presentation. If I say follow me or do something, please participate. This will really help you learn the secrets of English that you may not know about. So let's take a look. Welcome to Color Vowel and Blue Canoe. Color Vowel is the method. Blue Canoe is the app that I hope you have on your phone. There are 3 keys to spoken English. It's like 3 secrets, but they're very important if you want people to understand you. The first thing, spelling is not pronunciation. The name of the letter is not always the sound. In English, we have 5 vowel letters, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, but we have 14 vowel sounds. This is why it's tricky. This is why it's difficult. What sound does this letter make? The name of the letter is O. So does it make the sound O? Let's see. Is that word oni? No, it's one. One. How about this word? Two, ooh, ooh. Here it makes ooh. This word is this word is ooh. So in English, the letter O can make more than one sound. How about this word? Go, go, O. Here, the letter O makes the sound O, go. Ooh, O. How about this? Say it. Stop, ah. That's a 4th sound. 1, ooh, 2, O, go, stop. 4 different sounds. How about this? This is singular. 1 woman. Woman. That's a 5th sound. And 1 woman, but 2 women. This changes. This is different. Let me go back. Woman, women. Women. So again, 1, 2, ooh, go, o, stop, woman, women, and ow, wow. So 1 letter, O, can make 7 different vowel sounds. Did you know? Are you surprised? This is really important for you to understand. If you don't know it, you will always mispronounce words. This is the color vowel chart. These are the sounds of English. And instead of a symbol, like phonetics, we have 2 words, and each word shares the same vowel sound, even if they're spelled differently. So here we have green tea. We have EE and EA. It's the same sound. Listen, green tea, E. Okay? So if I tell you that word is green tea, it means that stressed vowel sound is E. All right? So I'm going to go through the chart with you. Please take your hand and follow with me. I'll give you a chance to repeat, okay? So first time listen, second time say it together with me. Take your hand out, okay? Green tea, green tea, silver pin, silver pin, gray day, gray day, red pepper, red pepper, black cat, black cat, olive sock, olive sock, turquoise toy, oi, turquoise, toy, oi. Orange door, or. Orange door, or. Rose boat, oh. Rose boat, oh. Wooden hook, wooden hook, blue moon, ooh. Blue moon, ooh. Purple shirt, purple shirt, a cup of mustard, a cup of mustard, brown cow, ow, brown cow, ow, and white tie, I, white tie, I. Good job. That should be a warm-up. You should practice that a lot. It helps you learn all these different sounds of English. If you noticed, we skipped auburn dog. This is the same as olive sock for me. If you live with any native speakers of English, some of them will have the same sound for these two, and some will have different. I have family in New York, and they use this sound a lot. I don't. It's a dialect or accent variation, and it's not necessary for you to learn. Any word that a native speaker from New York says with Auburn, you can use olive sock, and you will be understood perfectly. So that's why there's a gray line here, and that's why I don't use Auburn dog. I don't say Auburn dog in my dialect. I always say olive sock, okay? But these 14 vowel sounds, not Auburn dog, are important for you to practice because, because as you can see, those 7 words from 1 to go, stop, woman, women, wow, now you can see the difference. The letter is the same. There's O, 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 O. 7 different sounds. Let's look. Silver pin women. So this is how it works. This underline is the stressed vowel sound. It's longer. And that underline, no matter what letter is there, will be this sound, I. Silver pin women. So you can use this sound where the underline is. All right, let's try this one. Ah, ah, ah. Olive sock, stop. This is a cup of mustard, 1. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Blue moon, 2. Wooden hook, woman. Oh, oh, oh. Rose boat, go. Ow, ow, ow. Brown cow, wow. Okay, this part here is the most important part for you to understand. These 2 words share the same vowel sound, and the underline is where you say that vowel sound. Okay, all right, let's continue. These are the images. Okay, so green tea is green tea, gray day. These pictures help your brain learn. I'll tell you more about them after. So color vowels make English pronunciation easy, helps you to understand them. So here are those words you can see: rose boat, go, olive sock, stop, etc. Okay. So remember, 1 vowel letter can have 7 different sounds. 1 letter can make many different vowel sounds, and the opposite. Pay attention. 1 vowel sound, like ooh or e, can be spelled many different ways. Do these words have the same vowel sound or different? I'm not going to say them yet. Look at these words. And what do you think? Do you think they're the same or different? They look different, right? You have W-O, E-W, O-U, O-E. U, U-E, O-O, they look very different. Guess what? They are all blue moon. Listen. Two flew through shoe, future blue moon. Can you hear? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Two flew through shoe, future blue moon. They're the same. So one vowel sound, ooh, can be spelled many different ways. So test yourself. See if you know these words. Do these words have the same color vowel, same sound, or are they different? Take a second and look. Or maybe two of them are the same, or maybe three. What do you think? Take a look at the chart. Whoops, I'll show you the chart in a second. All of these words have the same color vowel, the same sound, even though they are spelled differently. So what color vowel are they? These are all the same. What do you think? Best, friend, said, any, bread, bread, What color? They're all red pepper. So listen, this sound is the same here, 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 and here. Red pepper best, red pepper friend, red pepper said, red pepper any, red pepper bread. Are you surprised? The point is, English is not phonetic. Spelling does not equal pronunciation. One letter can have many different sounds. One sound can be spelled many different ways. So what do you do? This is the problem. What's the answer? You can ask, what color is this word? Which means, how do I say this word? You look at the spelling will not tell you how it's pronounced. I can teach you with color vowels to take a good guess as to how it may be pronounced, but you can ask, what color is this word? If you have Blue Canoe on your phone, there's a dictionary in Blue Canoe and you can look it up. So if you have had trouble, let me stop for a second. It's all right. If you have had trouble with pronunciation in English, it's not you. English does not show you how to pronounce the words. So the good news is I know how English works and I will teach you. All right, so here's the chart again. And the really good news is that every word has a place on the color vowel chart. In Blue Canoe, the chart looks like this. Gray day place, red pepper every, black cat has, olive sock chart, purple shirt word, brown cow vowel. Okay, no word is too hard. Every word in English has a main stress syllable and a color vowel. And that's what you need to get right to be understood. Key number 2, and it's actually the most important one. Stress is the key, the secret to being understood. It will make or break your comprehension. This happens all the time. So which would you rather eat? This or this? Do you know which words I'm talking about here? Let's take a look. Whoops. Let me go back for a second. Here we go. So there's 2 words that look almost the same.
Hi,
and they're
this
different.
Is Karen, here for one color vowel.
Sorry for the subtitles.
English is a stress-timed language. In every spoken word, one syllable lasts longer than the others. Ba-na-na is banana. Listen again. I'll say it once slowly and again at normal speed. Banana. Banana. Listen to this next word. Desert. 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 Dessert. Listen again and say these words with me. Desert, dessert, desert, dessert, desert, dessert. Stress is what makes these words recognizable and distinct from each other. In the color vowel system, we ask two questions. Where's the stress and what color is it? Banana, black cat, banana. Desert, red pepper, desert. Dessert, purple shirt, dessert. Stress is the key to effective spoken English. Do you use enough stress? Thanks for joining me.
All right, so as we can see from that video, there we go. Desert, the stress is on the first syllable, and dessert. These are two very different things, right? You don't want to eat the sand. So it's a big mistake if you get it wrong, right? So again, this first word is desert, and the ice cream is dessert. I'm using these circles to show you that one syllable is longer. Take your hand and say desert, desert. And over here, dessert, dessert. I'd like some dessert, right? That's a big difference. These three words look very similar. They are related, but they sound totally different. Different stress location and different vowel sounds. Listen. Rose, boat, photograph, photograph. Black cat, photographic, photographic. And the job, olive sock, photographer, photographer. Stressing the correct syllable is more important than producing each sound correctly. This is important. You don't need to pronounce every syllable perfectly. The stressed vowel sound is the most important for being understood. So here's the answer. You ask, where's the stress? And you use your open hand like this. To use your open hand, extend your hand fully and open your hand on the underlined stress. Don't go like this. You want to go like this. Okay? In each word in English has one main stressed vowel. It needs to be longer, longer than the others. Using your open hand will slow you down on the syllable. So try it. This is olive sock photographer, olive sock photographer, photographer. Okay? Always use your hand when you're practicing. This is to help you see why. Stress patterns in many languages, Spanish, Japanese, many others. Each syllable gets the same amount of time. If you can read music, many languages are like this, da 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 da, or da 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 da. But for time, it's the same, da 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 da. In English, the stressed syllables are vowels, they're longer. Unstressed are shorter. This is the music of English down here. Da 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 da, da 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 da. These are very different. If you speak English with this stress pattern, it's very, very hard for people to understand, even if your pronunciation is good. They can't hear the important parts, and people say, what? What? Can you say that again? You say it again, they say, what? You say it again, they say, what? Probably this is the problem, the difference in stress. I can't tell you how important this is. How important this is, okay? Stress is the key to being understood. Stress is the key to being understood. Here's the third key, which is more something that you need to understand. Okay, the first key was spelling is not pronunciation. We have color vowels. The second was stress. Stress is important. The third thing is for you to understand what you are working with, your brain. The language center of your brain, it's over here, stops you from noticing new sounds and rhythms. The myth, the lie, is that the best way to learn pronunciation is by listening and repeating over and over until you get it. The truth, your brain stopped listening to new sounds and rhythms when you were a baby. So listen harder does not work. Maybe your teachers before said, just try harder, keep repeating it. It doesn't work. Your brain is saying, nope, not my language. But there's good news, okay? Here's the language part. The answer is with color vowels. This is the movement section of your brain. This is music and rhythm. This is images. Color vowel system uses these three centers in your brain to make new pathways to the language part of your brain. Movement is with your hand. By using your hand, activates a different part of your brain. Music and rhythm is the rhyming and the chanting, like eh, 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 red, pepper, red. Colors and images, of course, we have plenty of colors and images. So the good news is that you can learn new sounds in a new language, but you need to use your hand, music and rhythm, and colors and images to reach this part of your brain because it's closed. Okay, we're going in the back way. So to review, what color is a word? Where is the stress? Those are the most important things, okay? Now I want you to practice with me. We're going to really get into practicing and talking about what makes a word in English. This word you saw in the video, how do you say this? How about this? Banana, banana. Wrong stress location, banana. Is that a word in English? Nope. How about this? Banana, banana. If you say, I want a banana for lunch, nobody understands you. Only if you say banana, black cat banana. This is a word in English, but banana and banana are not words in English. So in English, stress location and color vowel is what makes a word a word. If you get this wrong or this wrong, people don't understand you. So let's practice. Make sure you have your hand ready. You don't need to write anything down. We're going to practice together. I'm going to switch hands so I can do this better. So a word like this, we're going to do the months and days of the week. January, January. Where's the stress? Right there. January. Try it with me. January. What color is it? Black cat January. Black cat January. Good. How about this? Where's the stress? February. What color? Red pepper February. Red pepper February. How about this? March. One syllable. March. Olive sock March. Where's the stress? Okay, a lot of people say April. It's not. It's gray day April. Gray day April. How about this one? There's also an A. A, gray. Gray day May. So this and this are the same sound. Gray day April, gray day May. How about this? June. Ooh, what color? Do you remember? Blue moon June. Okay, this looks almost the same, right? Ooh, is it Julie? Julie is my friend's name. It's not Julie, the stress is here. July, very different from Julie, right? July, white tie July, okay? August, olive sock August, good. September, red pepper September. Oh, October, rose boat, October. November. Red pepper, November. And the same, red pepper, December. Okay, so this underline shows you where the stress vowel sound is, and this shows you what vowel sound it is. August. I, July. Right here, September. Okay. Now, black cat, January. January. That shows you the stress pattern. Okay, let's do it again. I want you to see it visually. Red pepper, February. How about this one? Olive sock, March. Gray day, April. Good. Gray day, May. That's easy. Blue moon, June. Good. White tie, July. Get that right? July. Watch. July. July. Good. Olive sock, August. Red pepper, September. September. Rose boat, October. Good. Red pepper, November. Red pepper, December. Good. So you can see from these two, how do you know where the stress is? In many languages, there's an accent mark. We don't have that. With Blue Canoe and Color Vowel, I can underline and show you where the stress is. And you see how important that is. And look, these are the same patterns: September, October, November, December, even though this is shorter, right? All right, let's try these. Cup of mustard Sunday. Cup of mustard Sunday. Oh, Sunday. I forgot that part. How about this word? Monday. Is it the same color vowel? Cup of mustard Sunday. Cup of mustard Monday. Monday. It's the same sound. The same sound here. This is a U. It's an O. Same sound. How about this? Tuesday. Blue moon Tuesday. Tuesday. Sorry. Tuesday. Okay. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. How about this word? Is it the same or slightly different? Is it longer? It looks longer. We've got red pepper. Be careful. Watch carefully. Wednesday. Wednesday. The D and the E here are silent. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Red pepper Wednesday. Are you surprised? How about this one? Thursday. Purple shirt Thursday. Sorry, Thursday. Friday. White tie Friday. So take a look for a second. This word is very short. This one is long. They're the same stress pattern. Da, 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 da. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we have black cat Saturday. Saturday. Okay, so I know you know these words, but this might be a surprise to you. Wednesday. Red pepper Wednesday. 2 syllables. So what else did you notice? Let's look at these again. 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a U and a U, but they're very different. June, July. So words that look similar, the same, can be very different. Different stress location, different stress pattern, different color vowel. June, July, very different. But these two, same stress pattern, same sound, but one's with a U, one's with an O. So words that look different, these look different. They can have the same color vowel, and the same sound can have more than one spelling pattern. So can be with a U, or can be O. One more. March and April. This is an A, this is an A. They're both stressed. Words that have the same stressed vowel letter can be different colors. It's not March and April or March and April. These are different. March and April. Same letter, different sounds. One more thing. The number of letters does not tell you how many syllables the word is. What? For example, this word, the states, Ohio, Ohio, Ohio. 3 syllables, but only 4 letters. This state here is 5 letters. Maine, Maine, 1 syllable. So these are good examples that the number of letters does not show you how long the word is. So now you know the secrets to speaking English. Blue Canoe is the app that will help you practice on your own. I will use Color Vowel to help you all the time, to tell you where the color is, how to say it, where the stress is. Here's how to use Blue Canoe to practice at home. Start with word practice, okay? Once you get in, Color It Out is a game where you practice saying the words together with anchor phrases. Green tea, people, that's the repetition. You look at 1 or 2 words at a time. So it's like Uno. It's a game where you have matching cards and you have to match one of your cards to one of the cards in the deck. For example, these 2 are the same color. And you take a turn and you say, you can press help me say my turn and hear a recording. Use your hand, gray day paper, gray day documentation. You press record and it will listen to you and give you feedback and tell you. After you do word practice, you can move on to sentence practices. Down here under lessons, there are many, many topics where you practice saying whole sentences because sentences have stress too. Look at this for a second, this sentence. I'll call you. I'll call you. Where's the stress? I'll call you. What color? Olive. Olive, sock, I'll call you. Try it with me. Olive, sock, I'll call you. This is one stress grouping. I'll call you. But look at this. I'll call you when I finish. I'll call you when I finish. Now this is a secondary stress. Silver, pin, finish. This is stronger. Listen, I'll call you when I finish. 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 This is the more important stress. Now watch this. I'll call you when I finish my work. I'll call you when I finish my work. Purple shirt work. Now this is the most important stress. Watch. I'll call you when I finish my work. I can't do 2 things at once. I'll call you when I finish my work. Take your hand. Let's practice this up here. I'll call you. I'll call you. Second one. I'll call you when I finish. I'll call you when I finish. Third one. I'll call you when I finish my work. I'll call you when I finish my work. Or you can do it this way actually. I'll call you when I finish my work. I'll call you when I finish my work. If you say it like this, people will understand you. If you say, I will call you when I finish my work, people don't understand. I will call you when I finish my work. People don't understand it, okay? So you're going to practice this in groups. Spoken English revolves around stress. So that's what we do in Blue Canoe. We teach you the rhythm of English. 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 We show you the underlined stressed vowel, what color it is, so you can practice this. In Blue Canoe, the sentences look like this. We teach you the rhythm of English. So this sentence level practice, these are the lessons. There's all different topics in here. You can choose one. This is under technology. Same thing, you record it. I, delighted, project, done. We're delighted the project is done. We're delighted the project is done. You can record, get lots of different feedback, score, things like that. And you can just keep practicing and getting better. This tells you what you're doing wrong and how to get better. Don't forget to speak with your open hand, okay? We're delighted the project is done. That creates the music part of your brain. It activates it, helps you learn. There's also a dictionary in Blue Canoe. You can look up a word, it's down here. Look up a word and you can see right here where the stress is and what color it is, and you can listen. So where's the stress, what color it is, you can find it in your dictionary. Pronunciation improvement with Blue Canoe, it's in the palm of your hand, literally, it's right here. You have the images, okay, the icons, the expected sound right here. Your open hand creates the expected time that slows you down. And if you play daily, it helps you form those new pathways in your brain. The movement, the visual, and the repetition. Also, there's a profile. You can see how well you do. And this is your homework. Okay, play 10 minutes a day. Use your open hand. Blue moon improvement. Say it with me. Blue moon improvement. Okay. Also, there's more videos in there. There's quizzes. There's lots of fun things in Blue Canoe. So get started now. Each day you will have a daily plan in Blue Canoe, and that is your homework. It takes you about 10 minutes a day. Okay, I know this lesson is long. My normal lessons aren't quite this long, but this is a lot to understand, okay? These are the secrets to spoken English. And if you don't know them, or if you ignore them, you will not improve in your speaking, and you will continue to be frustrated when you speak to someone and they don't understand you. It's not a matter of trying harder, it's being smarter and understanding what the problem is. So, in my lessons, when we have new words, I will show you the underline, tell you the color. So for example, improvement, I will show you it's blue moon improvement. And I will help you correct some mistakes in your speaking. When we do Flipgrid assignments, I will give you feedback and tell you the color of those words that you're mispronouncing. And then you can understand how to say them better. Okay? So again, thank you so much for your attention. If you have time, I would suggest you listening to this video again sometime in the near future. It helps you to listen again. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.